Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Are you ready for a new video? Today we draw a car. At first, we draw a straight line. Parallelly we draw some straight line. Next we draw the front side of the car. Then we draw wheels of the car. Then we draw window of the car. And we draw other parts of the car. A car is a vehicle with wheels that you can ride in. It has an engine that makes it go. Cars help us travel from place to place. We can use a car to go to school or the park. Cars come in different sizes and shapes. Red color. Some are small, like a compact car, and some are big, like a minivan. Cars have seats, so we can sit comfortably. You can choose from many colors, like red, blue, or green. Cars have windows, so we can look outside and see the world. They also have doors to get in and out. Some cars even have a radio to listen to music. Others have screens to watch movies or play games. We can use cars for fun trips or for running errands with mom or dad. Red color. Blue color. Cars help us get to places quickly and easily. They have headlights to see in the dark. Cars also have brakes to stop when we need to. Remember to buckle your seatbelt when riding in a car. Cars are fun to ride in and helpful for getting around. Always be safe and follow the rules of the road. Cars are a great way to explore the world and have adventures. Blue color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Thanks for watching. subscribe and like. Bye.